The Samsung Galaxy A56 is generating significant buzz, and it's easy to see why. Known for its balance of features and value, Samsung's A series has often been the go-to for users looking for solid performance without the hefty price tag of flagship models. The Galaxy A56, however, is set to take this a step further with some exciting upgrades, including a rumored 45-watt wired charging capability. While it's not the fastest charging technology available, this boost from the previous 25-watt charging of the A55 is still a major leap forward, bringing the A56 closer to the charging speeds seen in Samsung's flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is a major shift for Samsung's mid-range offerings, especially as the Galaxy A53 and A54 received strong reviews upon release. Sadly, a Galaxy A55 didn't make its way to the United States, but many tech enthusiasts are hoping that the A56 will arrive stateside around March 2025. Let's break down what we can expect from this exciting new release. The 45-watt charging is, without a doubt, one of the A56's standout features. If you're someone who's always on the go, being able to quickly charge your phone and get back to using it without waiting too long is a huge advantage. This upgrade is sure to turn heads in the mid-range market, offering a level of convenience that's often reserved for premium smartphones. On the back of the device, the A56 is expected to sport a triple rear camera setup housed within a sleek, unified camera bar, similar to the design of the Google Pixel 9 Pro, but with a horizontal arrangement. The rear cameras will likely consist of a 50-megapixel wide angle, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, offering a solid mix for photography enthusiasts. While the front-facing camera will see a reduction from the 32-megapixel found in the 55 to 12 megapixels, it's clear that Samsung is prioritizing overall camera quality rather than chasing a higher megapixel count, ensuring the A56 will still produce great results. Under the hood, the A56 is expected to feature the new Exynos 1580 chipset, which promises enhanced artificial intelligence capabilities. This upgrade should result in a more responsive and efficient user experience, with AI-powered features likely to improve battery management, camera performance, and overall device optimization. The display will also get a much-needed upgrade, rumored to include a 120Hz refresh rate paired with a dynamic AMOLED screen. This will offer a smoother, more vibrant viewing experience, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday tasks. With a larger refresh rate, the A56 will deliver improved fluidity when navigating the device, making it an ideal choice for users looking for high-quality visuals without breaking the bank. Battery life should remain strong with a 5,000 mAh battery, which should easily get users through a full day of use. In terms of storage, the A56 will likely come in two options: 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 or 256 gigabytes of internal storage. These configurations should give users the flexibility to choose the right setup for their needs, whether they prioritize performance or need more space for apps and media. With a starting price expected to be around $550, the A56 will be positioned competitively in the mid-range smartphone market. It's not exactly a budget phone, but the combination of fast charging, a powerful chipset, and a great camera setup makes it a tempting option for those looking for flagship-level features at a more affordable price. Personally, I'm most excited about the 45-watt charging speed. For someone like me who's always busy and needs to charge quickly, this is a feature that's hard to overlook. The new Exynos 1580 chipset also has me curious. Advancements could elevate the performance of the device in ways we haven't seen before. Samsung seems to be pushing the envelope with this one, and I can't wait to see how it performs. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range market. With its faster charging, improved display, powerful chipset, and solid camera setup, it's definitely a device to watch out for. Here's hoping that Samsung brings it to the United States, as it looks like the A56 could shake up the mid-range smartphone space. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official release. If you're as excited as I am about the A56, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Let's keep the conversation going. What are you most excited about in the Galaxy A56?